New tune-up special, starting at $189. It is recommended to give your vehicle a thorough tune-up every 35,000 miles, depending on your engine and use case. When was the last time your spark plugs were changed? Our tune-up package includes a thorough inspection. It is recommended to give your vehicle a thorough inspection every year, every oil change, or whenever your vehicle shows signs of trouble. We will ensure that your vehicle is in good hands. We will tell you everything you need to know to keep it safe, efficient, and running well. Need an oil change? Our tune-up package comes with one. Offer details will be listed in the description or on our website. Need anything else? Call us at 240-347-4510 or visit our website, americanquality.services. We are located at 724 Virginia Avenue, Hagerstown, Maryland, located between City Park and Brothers Pizza.